Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. As you can tell by the title, today we're going to be creating a teddy bear themed baby shower invitation. Of course, you don't have to use the exact colors that I use. You can always swap out the colors. Watch to the end. You will see other color schemes that I use for different invitations. I'm going to be popping in and out with some important details, but for the most part, we're going to listen to some music. We're going to vibe. I'm going to need for you to relax, get comfortable, because you are currently watching Thai TV. All day long, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love. Everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny. I got a crush on you. That's truly. I'm digging you. You make me believe. Love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
It's not that I don't want you here.
So right here, you just see me adding the text that I want to add to the invitation. Remember, you can always customize it how you would like. These are just the fonts that I like. Always remember, you can go ahead and customize it any way you like. Also, I'm using canva.com to complete this project.
Right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Because you're right. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around. I need you around. It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. Can't get away. Palm trees, beach views, and everything. All I wanna do is in the pictures on replay. Still right next to you.
So you can see right here, I was just trying to get everything centered and get some form of symmetry going on, but it's up to you how you would like for the format to be. And I'm just outlining where you can put all the information so you can use this as a template in a way. Give me a thumbs up if you're enjoying the video so far. Now I'm just going in and adding some contrast to the invitation. I'm adding some clouds, but I'm going to spread them out and give the invitation some depth so it can look more professional and well put together.
Then dip me underway. You can fill my mouth with love. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. Until my will runs dry.
Now I'm just going in with some more flowers to make the little garden look more full. After I did the clouds, I kind of like the lighter pink color more, so I went and kind of covered up the darker pink flowers, because in my opinion the blush pink just looked better. But yeah, just keep playing with it until you find exactly what you like.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I don't mind. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give it all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Okay, we're all done with the indentation. If you want, you can always stop here, but you know I'm a little extra, so when people open up the indentation, I just want it to be like really extra and extravagant, and you know, looks. We love looks. But initially I made this for my god baby, so you know I have to be extra for my god baby. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do the butterfly effect. So after you download the image, here's the trick. It's really simple. You're gonna just go to YouTube and type in butterflies on green screen. I know, right? I'm a genius. But yeah, just go to YouTube. As you can see on the screen, I typed in butterflies on the green screen. You find the butterfly effect that you like. You could screen record it. That's how I saved it to my phone. But if you know a different way to save it, you can do it that way. But yeah, you can see me skimming through the video and trying to figure out if I like it. I looked until I found one that I like. Then I saved it. And then we're gonna move into iMovie. Of course, you don't have to use iMovie. You can use any editing software, but I just used iMovie. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna drag the picture that you saved, which is the indentation. You're gonna go ahead and fit it to the screen, not crop to fit, not Kinsburn, but fit it. And then all you're going to do, you're going to place your screen recording on top. You're going to click green screen, and then there you go. You have it. All you have to do is save the movie, export it, and then you go. You have your invitation. As you can see, I did these in multiple colors. If you reinvent this invitation, feel free to tag me at tah.tah, tah.tah. I will have it in the description box. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.